my YouTube channel. Today we are at Sheraton Hotel here in Qatar. We'll be staying here, we'll be having a staycation from today until Monday. So I'll tour you around in our room. So let's start the tour of our room here at Sheraton Grand Hotel. Welcome. So we're inside the room already. We have a basic cabinet here. Basic things like hangers, slippers, flat iron, and on the side we have the safe and other stuff. Here is a very nice big mirror and a very nice light. The feel here in this room is very cozy and Middle Eastern. So from this side, my right side is a toilet and bath. We have our luggages here, and when we enter here, it's the toilet and bath. Okay. The shower. Let's see what's inside. Very Middle Eastern vibe and concept. We have a bottle here. Okay. So let's proceed in the main room. So from the toilet and bath, here is the main room. We have a very nice lampshade here. And this table with the complimentary fruits, water, and the like. The bed is I can already feel how soft it is. And I really love to sit down and even sleep already because of it. It's very comfy feeling, and the sheets are very white. And this one is very Middle Eastern again. Simple but very elegant. A nice wall art here, painting, and this side table, 2 side tables with the lamps.
So this is the living area, so we have to go down 3 steps. A nice table there for teas, coffee, and we have TV and table here and a nice chair, and then this very comfy sofa. So this is the living area.
Let's see what's the view outside. So this is the view outside. So if you want, or we want to relax and breathe in some fresh air, then we can open this and sit there. With the sea view or the Cornish view. And on the right side, which you will see later, is the city view or the West Bay area view. City view, the West Bay. Hi, we're out of Sheraton Hotel and we're discovering what's around because we'll be having our dinner. So that's Sheraton at the back. Okay. So this is the view in front and this is the full view of West Bay. Dinner with a view.
Now stop and let your home.
This one's for couples, 14 questions.
Good morning! Morning view! Going to Al Hudara for breakfast. So this is the breakfast menu. And this is our place. Morning! Good morning! How are you? Morning! at the top of this hill like here in front of Sheraton. We're having a morning walk, and here are the buildings in the West Bay. A very nice view in the morning. It's still good time to walk here in the morning because it's not yet summer. There's a bike shop there where you can rent. We will rent and have this one so I can ride with him.
Yeah, that one. What is the minimum minutes? Half an hour. Okay, for how much?
Let me.
Only we can go.
How many minutes?
30.
Yeah.
Only the Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.